In this video we're going to remove green screen background in CapCut desktop. This is a tutorial on how to remove green screen in CapCut desktop only. If you want to remove green screen in CapCut mobile, it's a little bit different. So this tutorial is just for CapCut desktop. This video is very helpful for everybody asking out there how to remove green screen correctly, how to feather the edge of a green screen edit. This is how to do it properly. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, first we want to open CapCut desktop. Then we want to go to background and add a background, drag it down onto the timeline. Then we want to import again. We want to import another video. This is the green screen video. We drag it underneath the background. And then we want to resize the green screen video according to size. So let's make it the same size as the background video. And there we have our green screen ready to cut out. So we go across to video, cut out, scroll down to chroma key, click on chroma key, and then pull the wheel onto the green, then choose the strengths, feather the edges to get rid of any green edges, clean up the edge. And that looks pretty good. Then we go down to the background and make that the same length as the green screen video.
Yes,
press play to see how that looks. That looks pretty good.
6 times a day.
So basically that's it in a nutshell, guys. That is not hard.
With different cows every day.
It literally takes 2 minutes to remove a green screen.